Hey guys, so now it's my turn to do the HairTox smoothie. My hair is pretty tangled. I have chlorine water, peach water, salt water,
All the waters.
all the waters from Florida, back from New York, and still hair gel, cream, everything. So I need this. So this will be an extension or a series. You're fine. Of different HairTox smoothies that you can have throughout the summer, or even if you live in like seasonal places like I do, like in New York, where it's cold in the winter time, semi-cold in the fall, and super hot in the summer or spring. And I'll cater to different types of your conditions of hair. Right, Carolina?
Yeah.
It smells so good though.
It
It
really
reminds me of like rice pudding.
It just
childhood.
reminded you of everything.
Yeah, rice pudding, coquito, horchata.
Horchata.
You're doing a way better job though at applying this than I
I
am.
fucking
Alright, so since it's getting messy, I think that we should go into the bathroom and we'll be back when the plastic bag is all night. You want to make sure that while you're spreading the mixture, you don't do what I did and let go of too much of the product, because then all of it will fall on your face like it did for me. But you want to make sure that you section it out and split it evenly. Make sure not to drink it since it does smell really good. It might seem like it can convince you to be edible, but it's not. It's just for your hair. See me apply this evenly through all of my hair, even though I make a lot of a mess, but here goes anything.